Hey, I'm Jay. Welcome back to another episode. We've got our 243,000 mile E46, and last time we tore off all of our suspension and changed all our main fluids. Now we're going to go put on our coilovers, put all the suspension back together, and get this thing track ready. Let's get started. We're going to do a few other things to get this vehicle ready for track. We are putting a Turner skid plate on here so we can protect all of this open area from anything we might hit on track. We also put our X-pipe exhaust on. We've had to remove part of that though to drop the subframe. And then we're going to add these wonderful Goodyear tires to give us the traction we need on track. We're going to put these Eagle Exhilarates on our factory wheels, and they sent us these awesome Eagle Racing Specials that are going on a set of beautiful Apex. All right, so we made a good amount of progress on this so far. We got our factory skid plate removed, we got our sway bar out, we got our rotors, brakes all disassembled. Now we're removing our tie rods. We're going to remove our control arms, replace those bushings. And of course, you're always going to run into something here. So we did buy new wheel hubs to replace these with. So we're starting fresh on the track, and that should probably be the way to go anyway. We're going to keep tearing this apart and have at it. The E46 is a great platform, but it has one really common fault. Where the subframe is held to the vehicle, it's prone to cracking. Mike the Day came to the rescue and welded in our subframe reinforcement kit.
Alright, we are doing some painting. We're going to grind down our welds on our subframe reinforcement kit. And then I'm going to spray them down with some self-etching primer and paint. And then we're back to mounting the seats. And after this, the car can finally come off the rack and roll again, so I'm really excited.
All right, we're getting ready to fit the H&R coilovers, and we went with the Turner adjustable camber and caster plates. And they're on this nice spherical bearing, which will give us a really nice range of motion. So as the suspension loads and unloads, this can flex really easy, and it'll help with less resistance as you weight up a corner of the car. All right, next up we are moving on to our control arms. We have the Meyle HD control arms. They are really nice, a little bit beefier with the HD line of Meyle products. And then we're gonna fit it up and add the spindle after that and just keep putting each corner together. What's nice about the Meyle control arms is they come loaded with their ball joints, and everything is nicely booted and lubed, so we don't have to do any additional service after we put it in.
It's always good to be booted and lubed.
That's a PSA.
Let's start. Get it lined up and then we'll get these in.
Like butter. I love when aftermarket parts just fit. I've really loved everything Meyle on this project.
got our front end back together. Loving these H&R coilovers. We still have to adjust our camber and caster and get this all tightened down and set. However, we've got our Meyle end links on. We've got our Meyle tie rods. And if I lift it up some more, we have our beautiful H&R sway bar, and we replaced the end links, the tie rods all the way for the inners and the outers, and got a new boot for them too. So we'll just get these clamps on there tightened up. Got our Meyle control arms, and everything is now starting to look beautiful, and I think we're gonna have a lot more traction and control on the track. So previous owners started a rear seat delete, left it kind of half done. We're just gonna go ahead and finish it. I don't know how this is held in. There we go. And that'll reduce some weight. And you always find some weird goodies. Let's hope it's not drugs.
What do we got there?
It's not drugs. We did not find drugs in the car.
Have fun.
We are
Wish us
in
luck.
the E46 for the first drive, and it is not aligned.
Ride height not even.
Not the same ride height on all sides.
He said both. Wish us luck. Is this on?
Yeah. I mean, the alignment ain't terrible. Something's clunking. It moves.
Some weird noises.
It's a lot more stiff than it was. Steering's pretty tight.
What control arms did we use again?
Meyle. Oof. It's driving.
It's getting there.
Needs some adjustments for sure.
Yeah, definitely.
Our speedometer's not working.
Every light. Actually, we don't have, yeah, check engine is still.
Yeah. Is it the road, or are we like really
No,
slanted?
this side is way lower in the back and in the front.
I don't know what noise it's supposed to be making versus
I don't think it's supposed to be making those ones.
Yeah. No.
We're wobbling. Oh my god.
Yeah. Needs a little more work still. We have till Friday.
It just fall apart right now in the parking lot.
At least it's in the parking lot.
Yeah, true.
All right, first drive. I'm gonna count that as successful.
Successful. We got there and back.
Once we finished our initial test drive, it was obvious we needed to still make some adjustments to the vehicle. So we got it back on the lift, adjusted our ride height for our coilovers, cleared a lot of the engine codes with some O2 sensors we got from Meyle. We also got our speedometer working again with new ABS sensors that we got from Meyle. We also took this opportunity to put on our new EBC brakes, which we're really excited about to see how they perform on track. And now it's time to get it aligned. All right, our car is about ready for track. We've got these amazing Goodyear tires. We've got our Powerflex bushings. We've got our H&R suspension. This thing is ready to go. Be sure to check back next week when we're at Mid-Ohio Raceway and see how she does on track. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and come back for more enthusiast content.